welcome back to Elite Expertise Success Stories for KAPS Exam. As you all know, we have just received the latest KAPS exam results and we are extremely happy by seeing the results. So we have Karan with us who has successfully cleared his KAPS exam under the expert guidance of Elite Expertise. So let's dive into his journey and uncover his tips and tricks for achieving such a remarkable success. Hi Karan,
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
many congratulations Karan on passing your KAPS
Thank you.
exam.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
So, can you please tell us about a bit about yourself, about your background, like from which college did you get graduate from?
Yeah. Actually, I have done my B Pharma from ISF College of Pharmacy, which is located in Moga, Punjab. And I came here in 2022 and I joined Elite Expertise in September September this year. And
Okay,
now I have got my results. So that's my journey. I have done my B Pharma in 2021.
right. Okay. So, what motivated you to pursue the CAPS exam, and how did you prepare for it?
Actually, when I came here, I don't know about the process, like how we can get skill assessment from the APC or something like that. Then I go to LinkedIn and I contacted with many Elite Expertise alumni, and they told me about how we can do the CAPS qualification or something like that, the assessment. Then, firstly, I gone through the first eligibility check process to APC. Then I lodge all my documentation, and
Okay.
they then this year July I received my APC eligibility check. Then after I booked my CAPS exam, and one of my senior who already qualified CAPS exam from Elite Expertise, and he told me you can join this Elite Expertise. You don't need to worry about your qualification, something like that. And then I straight away joined Elite Expertise, and I called Harika ma'am, and she told me don't worry about your results, just focus on your studies, and you can definitely get the results. And then I
Right.
joined Light Expertise, and uh, like I've studied all the lectures. I have gone through all the lectures and all the materials like handouts and mocks as well. So today today I qualified from CAPS. So that's all about my CAPS journey.
Right. So, can you
Yeah.
share any specific strategies that you have used while preparing for the exam?
Actually, one thing I have observed with Elite Expertise, ma'am usually focus on basic things, basic concepts, and sir usually focus on the syllabus, like which we use like in the CAPS exams. So
Right.
that's the main thing like I have observed from Elite Expertise. And from my B Pharma, I want good understanding regarding ANS. But when I joined Elite
Okay.
Expertise, like I have cleared all my concepts like ANS, CNS, and like basic concepts. So that's the thing. That's the difference I have observed like with the Elite Expertise than other
Okay.
things. Yeah.
So, were there any biggest challenges that you faced during your preparation? If so, how did you overcome them?
The biggest challenge I can see when a person coming to Australia like he or she having a lots of burden like we need to do a job, we needs to manage our studies as well here, and we need to manage our lectures. Like sometimes lectures go on to 4 hours or 5 hours, sometimes 8 to 9 hours as well. Like I usually attend lectures like while I was on job. I just listen the lecture. So while listening the lectures, it's good experience, so
Right.
this is the challenge. Like we need to manage the job and study as well. But they provide all the things like mocks, and when we finish our lectures, like we can go on through the mocks and we can go on through the handouts quickly. So by this way we can easily manage like study and job. So
So,
that's the thing like I faced during my captioning. Like we need to manage during jobs the study.
right,
I
right.
just use the I just use the airports and just listen the lecture. like ma'am told me many times, like you can listen the lecture while you're sitting on the bed or something like that. So that's the thing of face.
So, was there any point where you felt like very demotivated or discouraged during this time?
Demotivated or uh, I can't say demotivated. Like I can't say demotivated, but sometimes some people put some
Hmm.
messages in the group like regarding some concepts, and suddenly when I see those concepts and I don't know about that particular thing, and then I got demotivated, like I don't know about this concept, and why I don't know about these concepts, like after doing all the things, like after studying all the topics. So that's a time like I usually got demotivated. Other than like I feel motivated like when I listen lectures, ma'am lectures usually, because
That's great to know.
like yeah.
So, do you have any
Yeah,
advice for the future pharmacists, like who are preparing for the OPRA exam for the next year?
like like whoever preparing for the OPRA exam, like ma'am and sir, like they're working as a pharmacist from so long time, and they they know the root cause, like where the questions coming from actually, because they dealing with lots of patients, like how the Australian pharmacy system going on in future, and they know the root cause, like what they ask in exam, either OPRA exam or KAPS exam, whatever they have, like you can say uh, they know the case studies, many things they know. So I can definitely recommend every people, like they can join Elite Expertise with no question
Uh,
in his or her mind, and 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 they know everything. Arif sir and Harika ma'am knows everything, so I can definitely recommend, like they can join Elite Expertise with no
Thank you
worry.
so much, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you so much for sharing your insights with us today. And once again, a very, very congratulations for you on passing your
thank you,
exam.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you.